A bag contains 7 white, 6 red, and 5 black balls. 2 balls are drawn at random. Find the probability that they both will be white. Solution: total number of balls is equal to 7 plus 6 plus 5 is equal to 18. From these 18 balls, 2 balls can be drawn in 18C2 ways. Therefore, total number of ways of drawing 2 balls is equal to 18C2. Above formula can be written as is equal to 18 into 17 by 2 into 1. Simplifying the above equation, and therefore, total number of ways of drawing 2 balls is equal to 153. Consider this as equation 1. Two white balls can be drawn from 7 white balls in 7C2 ways. Therefore, the number of favorable cases is equal to 7C2. Above formula can be written as is equal to 7 into 6 by 2 into 1. Simplifying the above equation, therefore the number of favorable cases is equal to 21. Consider this as equation 2. Therefore, P of drawing 2 white balls is equal to number of favorable events by total number of cases. Which implies P is equal to 7 by 51.